Welcome back to our channel. Question 25 is a good question showing another technique of in exam multiple choice. You need to understand first, look at the diagram. The diagram is about glucose and about glycogen. And then look at the question about liver response. When the blood glucose level is high, the glycogen level also high. Why? Because the liver transformed or stored the glucose as glycogen to lower the blood glucose level to try to store it. Okay, and then you need to learn when to stop. This is the only thing that you need to get from the diagram. Give it the context, and then you can forget it. Yes, just remember glucose transformed to glycogen when the glucose level is high. So it is a glucose, and this is a glycogen. And then next one, in this discussion, a lot of words come out. Glycagon, insulin. So you have to remember what is their role in this process. Of course, it's a reversible process. So we have a glucose on one side, but glucose level, and glycogen on the other side. So we have two things. One is for forward reaction, one is for backward, or you can say reverse or whatever. So which is which? Easy to remember. Similar names. Glycogen, glycagon means this one is used to digest or transform the glycogen. Remember lactose, lactase? Yeah, the name tell you something. So if you don't remember it, so you say, okay, this one is moved from left to right by the glycagon. Similarly, glycagon change glycogen to another thing. So the other direction is insulin. So sometimes if you remember it, then you don't need this guess. But in exam, you know, sometimes you don't remember, then you need to have some guessing. So by this model, ABCD, which three must be wrong and which one is correct? Take a look. Think about it. Maybe you can pause the video. Thank you. Come back. Okay. Okay. First A. Okay. Liver cells store excess blood glucose as glycogen in response to glycagon. What is the glycagon? Reverse, right? Reverse. Then make the glycogen becomes glucose. So it is opposite to the process. Okay. Next one. Glycagon increases the release of glucose by liver cell to restore the concentration. Oh, it seems that it's quite right. Think about it. Okay. Next one. Insulin decreases the respiration rate in liver cell for storage of excess blood vessel. Respiration? No. Last one. Liver cell respond to insulin by speeding up the conversion of blood glucose into glycogen, blood glucose to the glycogen. Quite right. Okay. So which one is really correct? Okay, we have two candidates, B or D. So, yeah, it is exam. Okay, it is examination. Okay, so what is the word that should be used? Yes, I think this is the word. Read this. Yeah, it should be some kind of a conversion. Okay, not a read this. Okay, it's a conversion. Okay, conversion or to yes. Right? Glycagon is not a release of glucose, it's conversion. Okay, to pick it up. Okay, to restore the concentration. So I think it's the word that it's what use the conversion. Right? So to my I think the word release is not that accurate. So my point of view, I will choose D. Yeah, we done it. Thank you.